Ibidem will generate subject bibliographies. These are especially useful tools in several academic areas involved, for example, in teaching, such as a component of a course syllabus, or to get a student started on a research project, or as a tool in a collaboration. Here's how it's done. You will normally want to select a subject, which will likely be found in the keywords field from among the keywords you have used in your database, and conduct a search. Keywords will appear in alphabetical order. With the search pane in view, I'll select my keywords in this example, and I'll double-click on the keyword abandonment and click OK. With the found records listed in the database view, right-click on the search icon. Here, you may choose to select or check all or uncheck all. You may click manually on the ones you wish to select, or you can simply take no action at all. Now, click on Select, Save Subset, and in the Subset Save Append dialog, you'll see a button for the option All Records in Subset is already selected. Enter an appropriate name to give to the subset. Click Save, and you'll see a confirmation. Click OK. Now, let's generate a bibliography with these records. Click on Generate. Select Bibliography to create a file with a normal bibliography formatted in the selected style. You have several choices to select from if you need to produce something other than the standard bibliography. Click on the Abandonment subset and then click OK. Click on View Results, and the bibliography document is opened in the word processor. You will probably want to edit the title to reflect the subset's subject, in this case, titles dealing with abandonment. If you select the subject bibliography, notice that the resulting dialog lists the subject as KW keywords. With this option, the resulting output lists repeated instances of alphabetized lists of authors, each one clustered around each of the keywords associated with the records.